Even as the Central Board of Direct Taxes raided the premises of Sahara in Delhi and nearby areas on charges of tax evasion, the business group has said they are unable to understand why these searches are being conducted. The group also released a statement saying their work is being disturbed and bank accounts being frozen without prior information, making it difficult for them to manage affairs of such a big organization. In their statement, Sahara has said that many of their accounts have already been frozen to pay off the sum to market regulator SEBI in link with a money laundering case filed against them. The group further said even after enough legal action against Sahara, the raids are a complete embargo and only making things confusing and difficult for them. The statement said, "Please also note that there is some amount found by agency during the raid. To clear the ambiguity from beginning and stop any speculation, we would like to upfront inform that each and every penny found is accounted and company's legitimate money. Some legitimate cash is kept at various points for various kinds of requirements and higher emergencies. As getting bigger amounts from bank account is extremely difficult, and when which account SEBI will seize, we do not know."
Powered by NNIS.